Howdy, y'all. For some of you, this is going to be the Aeries tutorial part one, but it's really like part zero. It's just a quick tour of things going on. I had to delete the previous version because some things are wrong. So, as you see right now, you can see all my classes, the names of them, when they are. There are two things because there's a current and a future term. By default, you can only see one. Some people like seeing two. That's completely your preference. All of these things down here, you really don't need to worry about. Attendance, this is the real meat and potatoes of the situation. You can't currently see it because it's outside of the school year, but all it's going to be is you can click down in the top area to change classes. It'll have all the students' names in alphabetical order. You either click A if they're absent or T if they're tardy. It's really straightforward. The attendance by photo follows the same process, except you can click the pictures. You can click gradebook to go to gradebook. The only other feature that you might be interested in is seating charts. So you can change the date. You normally don't need to worry about that. So we go here, we can determine what period we're looking at. We click these bars, we can create a new seating chart. You can tile out whatever you like. You can auto assign the seats by name or alphabetically. You say the rows and columns. Boom, they've been assigned. Don't forget to save. You're going to have a good time. If for whatever reason you ever want to go back to an old seating chart, you press open seating chart and you have a bunch. I still have some from last year, so obviously I need to clean up and delete them. And once they're deleted, they're gone. If for whatever reason you have a seating chart and a new student comes, I think I have a period where that's the case. If the new student comes, they just come over to the side and you can drag them in yourself. You can rearrange them however you want, and then you can save it again. All the reports that we need for gradebook, we can get through through this reports feature. And then there's a student search. You can only search for students that you currently have. This fuzzy search, I highly recommend to put. It just helps you if you're not exactly sure what a student's name was. It gives you some names that are close to it. Then you can click on the student to get extra information. That should be everything you need. You can always click the home to get back home. It loads back in. The only thing else you might want is to enable dark mode. All right, peace.